Hey, what's going on? Peter here. Wanted to make a video about Forskolin, my review on it, because it's a question that I get from honestly a lot of my clients and students wondering if Forskolin actually works to lose weight. And for a long time, I honestly wasn't sure. I kind of always thought it was about just diet and like strenuous workouts, which I know a lot of people really just don't have the time for and really just don't want to put in the commitment. And I totally get that. So, basically I did a ton of different research on different supplements and things of that nature, and Forskolin was one of the ones that I stumbled on because I first heard it actually about from Dr. Oz. And so I watched a ton of videos on it, did a lot of research on it, read the research papers, and basically, long story short, to save you all the time, Forskolin works. In fact, Forskolin works so well that I personally was very shocked to find how rapidly and effectively it actually works when I started using it myself, and also when I started using it with my clients. We've been getting phenomenal results with it. The weight loss has been pretty ridiculous, actually. I've had so many people just being able to quickly lose weight faster than they ever have if they're trying to hit certain weight loss goals. So if you're wondering about Forskolin, whether it works, whether it's just marketing hype, it does work. It works phenomenally well. I highly recommend it. I can stand behind it. And if you're wondering where specifically to get Forskolin, because there's some that are good and some that aren't so good, I personally have found the best source for Forskolin with the highest quality, very inexpensive. In fact, I think they're running a trial right now. So if you're looking where to get Forskolin, I've included the link in the description. Just click that link, order it, and it works extremely well. Basically, you just take, I think, like 1 or 2 pills per day, and it's highly effective, so I definitely recommend it. So if you're serious about wanting to lose weight and you're curious about Forskolin, give it a try. Now's the perfect time because, like I said, I think they are running a trial. So just click the link in the description and you'll be able to test it out. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a blessed and amazing rest of your day.